How to sign out of Yahoo Mail on Android. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can sign out of Yahoo Mail on your Android. So you can simply open the Yahoo Mail on your browser as well. What you need to do is simply tap on the preferred browser of yours and then you need to follow the following steps here. So watch this video till the very end. So you can simply log into your Yahoo account from mobile browser, like tap on open your mobile browser. On the mobile browser you need to tap on this link yahoo.com. Now you will have to tap on the profile icon. If you have not signed in, then do sign in, and after that tap on the email password and then tap on sign in, and then you are done. After tapping all the required information, you are signed in to your Yahoo account. Now to log out of it, what you can do is on your mobile device, if you have already signed in, tap on the profile icon, and on the profile icon when you scroll down and down, you will see the option of sign out right there. Tap on the sign out option and then you are done. You will be signed out of your account now. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.